Nashville, Tennessee. Two robbers in ski masks invade a convenience store, armed with a revolver and shotgun. At the counter, Lee Rayburn is making a purchase. He freezes in fear.
There was no place to run. There was no back door. I knew we were in trouble.
Everyone is ordered to hit the floor.
Thoughts going through my mind is if I laid down, face down like they asked, that everything would be okay as long as I didn't see them or look at them. I heard them say they wanted the money out of the drawer, and Sam, who was the clerk behind the counter, had said he didn't speak English.
The gunman offers a brutal response and fires at point-blank range. The thieves rush the register, but can't get it open. They fly into a rage.
It set them off, and they just started shooting, and they wanted everyone dead in that store.
The first perp goes after another clerk on the floor, while the second targets Lee.
They shot me in my lower back, and it hit my kidney, hit my colon.
The next shot is aimed at Lee's head, but the shooter runs out of bullets.
When it went click, it was like, then I got a burst of energy. That's when I reached in my top pocket and pulled out my phone and called 911.
The murderous thugs flee without stealing a dime. But cops find a telltale fingerprint at the scene. They trace it to Joshua Brown, who's now under arrest for the murder of the two clerks. Incredibly, his accomplice, who shot Lee, was a teenage girl. Lee Rayburn endures weeks of surgery, but he makes a full recovery from his night of terror.
I do feel lucky. I feel very fortunate to still be here on this earth.